In the battle for the sky, who will be the last to fly? Load your weapons, launch your drone, and knock your rival out of the sky. The easy-to-use drones that battle head-to-head for non-stop aerial combat with pre-programmed attacks. Whoa! Tornado attack, 360 spin, ram attack. Customize your weaponry and take your rival down. Let the battles begin. Air Wars battle drones come with 2 drones and 2 controllers.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the Airhog's remote control X-Wing versus Death Star Rebel Assault. I don't think we've ever seen anything quite like this before. This drone-based battle set allows you to take part in the X-Wing's attack on the Death Star, where you actually have to shoot down the Death Star before it shoots you. So let's go quickly through the contents of the box so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Your package should contain 1 X-Wing Starfighter Micro Quad drone, 1 Death Star, 1 remote control, 2 USB charging cables, and 1 set of instructions. Let me tell you some of the reasons why I'm excited about the X-Wing versus Death Star Rebel Assault. First, you'll be fighting an amazing drone-based mid-air battle. As the X-Wing pilot, you'll fire your infrared blasters at the Death Star, and when you hit it, the Death Star actually shakes. But you gotta look out because the Death Star is also firing at you. When you're hit, the X-Wing will shake and the display will indicate impact with authentic sounds. 3 hits wins, after which your losing drone sinks to the ground. So this is just a really amazing, unique simulation that really takes advantage of drone and IR technology. The second big reason that I'm excited here is that you can also join the battle with the new Airhog's RC TIE Fighter drone. That's right, there is a 2-player option. So if you purchase the separately sold TIE Fighter drone, you can have 2 players battle to see who can shoot down the other ship first. Now let me give you a few tips I picked up that will help your battles go a little more smoothly. First, since the X-Wing and Death Star Rebel Assault uses IR beams, you can't actually see the rays. So it may take some time to shoot down the Death Star at first, and some hits that you think were right on target might not quite be there. You're also going to want to keep in mind the functionality of the Death Star. You'll turn on the Death Star using its power switch, but you will control it from the Death Star start-stop trigger on your controller. If you press the left trigger and nothing happens, try moving it closer and pointing the controller directly at the IR port located in the center of the Death Star. Thanks for tuning in today, pilots. I am really excited about this new set, and I think all you other Star Wars fans out there are gonna be too. So until next time, we'll see you in the skies.